How's everybody doing out there? Hey, precalculus! What will you be doing 2 weeks from today? How many days? 14 days until the exam. The exam at this time, 2 weeks from today, you will have finished. And you will be so glad that you watched today, because today, yes, today, we're going to be going over some problems that just may or may not be on your AP exam. Of course, I don't know that for sure, but each year they have, same type of questions. And this week and next week, we're going to go over some things that may or may not appear on the AP Calculus exam. So call on in 972-925-3123, and we'll ask you some questions that you are going to have to answer anyway in 2 weeks, so you might as well answer them now. All right? And?
Hey, that's the big cookie to you.
The small cracker.
Big cookie.
Okay, pick a problem, any problem.
11.
11? Did you say 11?
No, derivative.
No, it's we're going. You see this graph?
Yeah.
See this graph? This is going to be the whole show. We're going to be looking at this graph.
Okay.
It's going to be really exciting stuff.
Oh yeah, whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo. If the graph shown is f double prime, on what intervals is f prime increasing?
Okay, f prime is increasing when f double prime is positive, so it would be on the integral from, could you zoom in on the graph, please?
What's that?
Zoom in on the graph. -2, okay. So, like I said, f prime is increasing when f double prime is positive, so f prime will be increasing on the interval from -2 to 2.
That's right. And you could write it like that, or what you could also do is you could also make this little notation like this.
Yeah, Greg chart.
That's right. The what chart?
Greg chart.
The Greg chart.
Yeah, because you're the one that made it.
Well, I think I don't know if I'm the only one. I don't know if I made it, but
when did you first see it?
I first saw it way back in 1947.
And what was it called?
It was called it was just called the chart.
Okay.
But you could show this, or Ann, what you could do.
Big cookie.
The big cookie, small cracker. What you could do is you could actually write it out. You could write it out, saying exactly what you said.
Yeah, I know. F prime is increasing when f double prime is positive. And since I got that one right, I am now the big cookie.
That's right. Hey, give the phone to someone else there, okay? Anybody else?
Yeah. Okay. Who wants it? Misty. Here's Misty.
Misty?
Yes?
How you doing?
I want to see her picture.
Oh, you want to see your picture? Okay.
No, I'd rather not.
Do I have a solo of Misty?
No, just with Nina. I think you should show Nina.
Well, I think we can, Misty next.
I hate that picture.
Oh, that's sort of hard here. I think this is you. Oh, Misty, I think this is you. Hold on, we got it. Is that Misty?
Yeah, I guess.
Pretty exciting, don't you think?
Not really.
What do you mean, not really? You gonna be there Saturday?
Huh? Saturday?
Saturday?
Yeah.
Are you excited about that?
No.
Why not?
Shut up.
Misty, are you going to be there at 8 o'clock to hear the special people from TI?
Yeah.
Because they got really cool stuff to say. And it may apply to you for job stuff, you know? Pretty exciting, don't you think? Misty,
Okay.
are you ready for a calculus problem?
No.
Yeah, Misty, where's the confidence? Where's the, I don't feel it. I don't feel the confidence. Okay. Here you go, Misty. We'll, same graph. If the graph shown is f double prime, at what
two.
point, what?
At 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
At what point does f have a point of inflection? In general, f has a point of inflection when blank.
When it changes concavity.
When what
What?
changes concavity?
The function. But when f double prime goes from positive to negative, or negative to positive.
Okay.
Hey.
It's right. F. You could say, right, if f double prime is positive then negative, then the concavity of f
It's from up to
is up
Up,
then
down.
down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. You get a bell.
Okay.
Misty, that
Yeah.
wasn't so bad, was it?
No, that was easy.
Okay. Good luck. We'll see you Saturday, okay?
Okay.
Dagmar Salazar,
Yes.
how you doing?
Pretty good.
How's the running coming?
Pretty good. Regional next is tomorrow and Saturday.
What's your best time so far?
226 in the 800 and 547 in the mile and 64 in the mile relay.
226 and 547. So that means that you are
Slacking off.
you're more a miler than a half miler.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about that. If you're 547, that means you should run the half in under 220 if you were more of a half. But that is great. Those are great times.
Thank you.
Believe it or not, I used to be a miler when I was in college. Did you know
Really?
that? You wouldn't know that by looking at my birth, would you?
What was your time?
I think my. Hello.
I can't hear him.
I can't hear me either. Where's the mic?
I don't know.
Hold on, excuse me. This.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay, I think I'll just talk like this. Hey, what was my time?
Yeah.
You really want to know the truth?
Of course.
Under 4:30.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much. It doesn't mean I can put my mic on. You know, in 7 years, I think this is only the first time I've ever dropped my mic. Hey, Dagmar.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty good. 547. Wow, that's impressive. Is there a guy faster than you in the high school?
Yes.
Who?
Dennis Boucher.
He runs. Now he used to see me run down the street. And he runs faster than 547. That little guy.
Yes, he does.
What does he run? I heard him say that.
505.
Well, I mean, he was little when I was running. Dennis, you remember me running down the street?
He said yes.
All right. The 505. That was. Well, I think but Dennis, I think my time. I was in the 5 minutes when I was around Dennis, but that was when I was already old. So, anyways, here's a problem here.
Okay.
Okay, if the graph shown is f double prime, on which intervals is f prime concave up?
You just draw a graph of the derivative of that. Of f double prime.
Well, you tell me what to do.
It crosses the axis at the origin. Oops.
What crosses?
Okay, the
Dagmar,
board
what
just
crosses?
fell. I'm sorry.
505. Dennis Bowser. I don't believe it.
What do I do?
What does he run the 2 mile in?
What do you run the 2 mile in? 11 something. 11:15.
Slacker. Okay. Dagmar.
Yes.
Dagmar, what?
I'm stuck. Am I right by saying it's the values that are above the x-axis, or no?
Above the x-axis. So
Yeah.
let's think about this. If f prime, when is f concave up? In general, f is concave up when blank.
What? When it crosses the
Don't
x.
say it. In general,
the function-
forget about this. F is concave up when blank.
F is concave up. When F2 switches from positive to
Wait,
negative.
say that again.
When F2 switches from positive to negative.
F is concave up when f double prime is positive.
Right.
Okay? Now let's think about this. F, let's write this out.
Okay.
F is concave up when f double prime is positive. Okay? So therefore, when would f prime be concave up? Think about it. If f is concave up when f double prime is positive, when would f prime be concave up?
F prime is concave up when the third derivative is positive.
Or as you say, f3.
F3.
But it's f prime is concave up when the third derivative is positive. What is this a graph of?
Of F double F2.
And what do we need to find out?
With the slope.
We need to find out when f triple prime is positive.
Right.
If this is f double prime, how do we find out about when f triple prime would be positive by looking at this graph?
You see where it's increasing? When the second, I'm
When
sorry,
it's-
not it, when this function is
Right,
increasing.
when the second derivative is increasing,
Right.
the slopes where f triple prime are
positive,
positive.
right.
So what is the answer?
Oh, from -2 to 0.
Yeah, make sure you use parentheses. Anywhere else?
And from +2 to, is that 4?
And from 2 to 4?
Yeah.
Then look
Oh,
at-
no, I'm sorry. From 2 to 3. No, I'm sorry. From 3 to 4.
Right, that's when f double prime is increasing. So
Right.
what you could do, now you could actually write all that out, but to get full credit, maybe I would do something like this. Because you want to know when f prime is concave up.
Right.
So I would do this little chart. F double prime, I'm sorry, F triple prime, do a little F triple prime chart. From -2 to 0, F triple prime is positive. And from 0 to 3, F triple prime is negative. From 3 to 4, F triple prime is positive. So the concavity is up, down, up. Now, if you want to also say F double prime is increasing, decreasing, and increasing, you could do that also.
Okay.
But if you just show that, you'd get full credit on the AP exam 2 weeks from today.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, Dagmar?
Uh-huh.
Tell Bowser, I'm going to erase him. I don't believe that 505 thing here.
Okay.
505 is about...
I saw
505
it though.
505 is my weight. That's the only problem I'm going to have a little trouble with. Hey, that's a great job. Hey, give the phone to Dennis, and we'll get back with him in a second, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bumika Gapadilla!
Hi, Mr. Fly.
Hey, is Miss Arthur there?
Yes, she is.
Tell her Angela von Schmidto is in the studio and says hello.
She says yay.
Said yay. see, Angela, there are some people who still. Okay. All right. Hey, ready for a good problem?
Sure.
Aren't these fun? Do you remember doing these things?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Hey, are you going to be there Saturday?
I am.
All right. You know what we're going to have for lunch?
Pizza.
Hey, there's a lot of, tell everybody to come. There's a lot of prizes to give away, seriously. I think that we're giving away 60 prizes. 10, I'm not 100% sure, but I think 10 TI-89 calculators, 10 electronic sources, and 40 Blockbuster certificates. So,
Well, make sure you draw my name.
hey, that's right. We could have you could grease my palm a little bit there. Okay, let's take a look at this here. Same graph.
What does it say?
If the graph shown is f prime, at what interval is f concave up?
Okay. Hold on one second. I have to think about it. Concave up when f double prime is greater than 0. When f is increasing? F prime is increasing.
It's when f prime is increasing. Why?
Because that's the way I think of it.
Because that's the way you think of it. Okay, so how would we write this on the AP exam?
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Well, I know that when f double prime is greater than 0, that means f is concave up. So that means you have to have f prime to be increasing.
So we want to know when f double prime is positive, right?
Right.
So therefore, it's when, and you can actually write out what you just said. It's when f prime is increasing, or you could just show a chart. You could do this if you want, and f prime from -2 to 0, f prime is increasing. From 0 to 3, f prime is decreasing, and from 3 to 4, it's increasing. So therefore, f double prime is
-2 to 0, and then 3 to 4.
Right. It's the same answer as last time, right?
Right.
And why is it the same answer as last time? Because the only difference is last time it just said he had a f double prime here and f prime here.
Right.
It's the same relationship, right?
Right.
Bumika Kapadia.
Mhm.
That's pretty exciting, don't you think?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Who else? Is Emily there?
Yes, she is. You want to talk to her?
Yeah. Give her the phone and we'll come back to her. Okay.
Okay. Bye. Here, he wants to talk to
505.
you. The dial, and then talk.
Dennis.
Yeah?
505.
Yeah.
And what was this, a measured track, or was this like on the street?
It was yards.
It was yards.
No, I'm just kidding.
What? No, seriously, where was this, on a track, or what track? Lowe's?
Yeah.
That's really that's really pretty good. Have you ever broken 5 minutes?
No, that was just the first time I ran it.
That's the first time you ran it? The first time you've ever run a mile and you ran 5:05?
Yeah.
I remember when you were like 10 years old, run down the street, you're out of breath. That is fantastic. Okay. All right, hot shot. You ready for a hard problem?
Integral?
No. Let's see if you can get this. Dennis, I'm telling you right now, you're going to struggle on this.
Right.
Okay? If this is f double prime, at what point or points does f have a relative max? If this is f double prime, at what points does f have a relative max?
Relative max. Well. See, could we draw a graph of the second derivative? I mean, the first derivative?
Okay, tell me what do you want me to draw?
A max at 2.
Okay, because if f double prime is positive and then negative, it's positive until 2 and then negative until 4, then f prime is increasing then decreasing. Okay. What else do we know? So f prime, you want me to just, you want me to do this?
Sure.
Okay.
We know we have a... Well, we don't know that. It's difficult.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Dennis,
Yeah.
let me ask you something. I've been trying to stump you for the last since you reeled off all those. You're the integral man. Let me ask you something. What does the graph look? Would it look like number 1 or number 2, or can we not tell?
Probably
I'm
number
sorry,
one.
f prime.
Probably number 1, because f double looks like a cubed, or an odd function.
Well, what do we know about? Is anything? Let's try to draw f prime. What? I mean, the difference between these two is what? What's the difference between these two graphs?
The concavity.
Right. So, can we tell anything about the concavity of f prime here?
It's C up from -2 to 2.
It's what?
Concave up.
C up?
Yeah.
C up from -2 to 2. Why? Why would f prime be f prime?
Oh.
We're trying to draw the graph of f prime right now. We're going to get to
Excuse
f.
me. I'm sorry. From
That's
-2 to 0.
So from -2 to 0, the graph is increasing and concave up. All right. And then what about from 0 to 2 or 0 to, what's happening from 0 to 2?
It goes up to a max.
Is it concave up or concave down?
Down.
Right. So therefore, and then what about from 2 to 3?
Concave down to...
Okay, and then what about from 3 to 4?
Concave down.
From 3 to 4? It is F graph of F prime. If this is F double prime.
Oh, I'm sorry. Concave up.
Right, be concave up and decreasing. So this is what F prime could look like. It can be shifted up or down anyway. We don't know where these points are. So if this is F prime, the fact that this is F prime, or that this could be F prime, this could be F prime or this could be F prime. Do you agree with that? Because all we know about F prime is that where it's increasing concave up, but we don't know where it starts, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if this is F prime or this is F prime, what can we tell about F?
Where it's C up and C down?
Right. We could tell, we know since F prime is increasing from 0 to 2, we know that F is concave up, right? And we know that since F prime is decreasing from 2 to 4, we know that F is concave down, but we don't know anything about the relative max or relative min of F.
No.
It was a trick question.
So we skip it and go to the next one.
Right, it was a trick question.
I knew that. I was just playing along.
I know you were, and you did a good job. Okay, hold on. Let's try this one, Dennis, real quick. So what would they answer? This is what the question they would ask. I just went because you could. I had to do that since you could run a lot faster than me now, and now you're smarter than me and running faster than me. So basically, I'm really jealous. So what about the answer to this question, though?
That F prime?
Yeah, when does F prime have a relative max?
Positive to negative at 2.
Why?
2. Because it goes from positive to negative, the slope.
And the way you would write this out would be F double prime is positive and then negative, and then F prime is increasing and then decreasing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dennis, that's a great job. Congratulations.
Oh, I'd like to wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you very much. It's Monday.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you. Are you going to get me a present or anything?
Sure.
Hey, are you going to be there on Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. Lots of
Yes.
write your name real big.
Can
And
you rig the contest anyway?
hey, I don't know if you could. Well, you already can run faster than me, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Hey, listen, call in again, okay?
Okay.
Great job, Dennis.
Thank you.
Annalisa,
Yes.
how was last weekend?
Oh, fine.
It went okay. All right.
Yes, fine. Fine.
Fine. Hey, are you going to be there Saturday, Annalisa?
Mm-hmm.
You excited about that?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Because I don't like calculus.
Well, you love calculus. But you know what, Annalisa? Because of you, Annalisa, and this is a true story, and everyone who is able to have water there can thank you, because we just ordered some extra water because I remember you saying, how come there's no water?
That's good.
I didn't do that. Okay. Hey, Annalisa, let's ask you this question, okay? If this is the graph of F prime, on which intervals is F increasing? If this is the graph of F prime.
Okay. Increasing, so F prime is positive. So from 0 to, where does it end?
Ends at 4.
So from negative 2 to 2.
From negative 2 to 2?
Yeah.
And the reason, and what you would do, Annalisa, you would do this, from negative 2 to 2, from 2 to 4. F prime is positive, then negative, so therefore F is going up, then going down, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you put down the answer like that. Wasn't that exciting, Annalisa? That's very good.
Thanks.
You're welcome. How come? Where's the enthusiasm? Where's the love?
Woo! It's back before we took the test today.
Oh, was it a hard test?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, listen, hey, whoever just screamed, give the phone to, and we'll get back to that screaming person, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye, Annalisa.
Bye.
Rocio!
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Are you going to be there Saturday?
Yeah.
All right. Lots of giveaways, lots of prizes,
I heard.
lots of pizza.
No.
No?
It's cold.
Oh, well, it is? Well, what would you like instead, Rocio?
I don't know, big dinner buffet, you know.
You want a big dinner buffet? Well, there's going to be like 500 people there, so how do we do that?
Oh, well. For me.
I don't know. You know what? When someone has a sound effect that they like, they overuse it. So.
I understand.
Hey, I got a really good. You like these questions? Are you doing good with these?
Yeah.
Okay. These I think that these are going to be like on the AP exam. I think, but I've been wrong every year. So, but I really think this is the year for them. So anybody who's watching the show is probably going to get a grade higher if it is on the exam, a grade higher than they would get otherwise. If the graph shown is f double prime, on which intervals is f concave down?
Okay, you do the Greg chart with
the Greg chart. Hey, by the way, if you put that on the AP exam, they may not know what the Greg chart is.
No, you draw it.
They may not know. Yeah, I'd be surprised, but.
The first, the function.
What do you want me to put?
Function.
Function.
Okay, and then you put from -2 to 2 and 3 or 4. 4. And then whenever f double prime is negative, it's concave down.
If f double prime is negative,
below the x-axis.
so you go like this, right? So the f is the concavity of f is up then down, right? And then you just put negative from 2 to 4. Boy, that's pretty easy, isn't it?
Well, duh.
Hey, duh. Okay, wait, hold on for a second. Let's go back to this. Hey, well, you know what? Here, let me get this question for you here. I like the duh.
No, I'm sorry.
No, the duh. No. It's not bad.
I don't like your voice. I'm okay, right?
You're okay. Hold on. If there's a graph of f, on which intervals is f prime, double prime positive?
When it's increasing?
When what's increasing?
No, when it's concave up, which is increasing. Well, never mind.
Concave up and increasing are different
Yeah.
things.
From 2 to 4.
2 to 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's easy. You do the same exact thing.
Duh.
You know what? You say duh one more time, Rosio. Rosio, we're gonna limit you to one slice of pizza or something.
All right, that's it. I'll bring my own.
BYOP. Bring your own pizza.
No, McDonald's.
McDonald's? Hey, are you going to be there by 8 o'clock? There's a really cool speaker going to be there.
No, we have to be up here at 7.
Right, but you'll be there at
Oh, yeah.
Okay, very cool. Well, listen, Rocio,
Mm-hmm.
give the phone to your favorite Jaguar, and we'll get back with you, okay?
Me? I'm my favorite Jaguar.
Well, your favorite Jaguar beside yourself. And
Okay.
beside Miss Brzezinski. Hey, Miss Brzezinski, did you end up winning Teacher of the Year? Did Miss Brzezinski?
She won the Golden Oak.
Did she win the DISD Teacher of the Year?
She's tied for finalist with Townview.
When are you going to find out?
May 7th.
May 7th. If she doesn't win, it's rigged.
Oh.
Okay, hey, listen, Rocio, give the phone to your favorite Jaguar, and
Okay.
we'll get back with you.
Bye.
Lawrence?
No, Larry.
I'm just kidding.
Well, don't kid like that.
Hey, isn't your real name Lawrence?
No.
Okay, all right, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I run track also. I heard you did that.
Larry, what's your last name, Larry?
Knight.
Larry Knight. But you, do you run the mile?
No, I run the sprint.
What's your best time in the 100?
I don't run that race. I run the 200 and 400.
What's your best time in the 400?
48.
What about 200?
21.26.
My best time in the 200 is 48 also. Oh, that's the 200. Okay. Anyway, that's pretty good.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, it's very, wait,
Oh, I'm going to regionals this weekend.
wait, 21 in the 200?
Mhm.
21 what?
21.26.
That's really very good. I mean,
Thanks.
are you, what's the best time in the state this year?
20.9, 20.8.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's right, you're right there.
Yeah, I know.
You're right there. That is really good.
But I'm district champ in the 400 though.
Yeah, I'm to be honest with you, I'm more impressed with your 200 time than your 400. I mean, your 400 is great. I mean, but your 200 is like you might win state. I don't think you're gonna win state with the 48 and the 400.
But I'm not running at regionals in the 200, just in the 400.
Really, you didn't? That's unreal. That's
Oh,
unreal.
I ran the 21 at a previous track meet before this.
Oh, okay, I got you. I
Yeah.
got you. All right. Was there a big wind at your back? I'm just teasing.
No, not really. I was running against it.
I'm just teasing you. I mean, that is that's really good. Hey, Larry, that's really impressive, man.
Thanks.
That really is very good. Okay, Larry, here we go, buddy.
Ah,
Same graph. If the graph shown is f prime, on which intervals is f concave down?
okay. It gotta be from where it switches, where the F prime.
Yeah, right there. No wait, Larry. No wait. From 0 to 3.
From 0 to 3. No?
Well, was that Antoine in the background yelling that?
No. Hold on, let me see. Where F prime decreases. Concave down, right?
F is concave down when blank.
F is concave down.
In general, Larry, F is concave down when...
Oh, when F double prime is negative.
Right, and if this is F prime, when do we know F double prime is negative?
When F double prime is negative, when it switches from positive to negative. When
If this is F prime,
Uh-huh.
when is F double prime negative?
When F prime is decreasing.
Right, because if you look at this,
Hold up.
if you do this, we want to know when F double prime, if F prime is it increases into 3, it decreases. F prime goes down. And if F prime goes down, that means F double prime is positive, negative, positive. So the concavity of F is up, down, up.
Yes.
Pretty exciting, don't you think?
Sorta.
So you see, so the correct answer would be from 0 to 3.
Yeah.
Hey, Larry, that's a great job. Hey, good luck in regionals. When is regionals?
This weekend, Friday and Saturday.
This weekend? You're not going to be there? Well,
At North Dallas?
skip regionals and come to North Dallas.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that.
Well, Larry, if usually like in show business, say break a leg. If you do break a leg, come to North Dallas.
Okay.
Hey, listen, seriously, good luck, Larry.
Oh, you think you can put me in for one of those TI-89s? I've been craving one of those for 3 years.
Well, Larry, have you come to did you come to the last math prep session?
No, I had a track meet again.
This track has been starting to be a problem.
Yeah, I know.
Larry, hey, listen, if you win state, that's too tough. If you finish in the top 3 in the state in the 400, what am I saying here? I'll personally buy you a TI-89, top 3 in the state.
Oh, that'll work. I'm
Okay.
gonna do that too.
Okay, and the thing is, though, I don't think we can miscommunicate here because we got it on tape. So if you
Okay.
finish top 3 in the state, give Miss Harmon or when is state?
2 weeks from now. 2 weeks
Okay,
from
I'll look in the
tomorrow.
paper, but you let me know, okay?
Okay.
You let Miss Harmon.
Well, you shouldn't. Well, that's a good bet, but right now I got the fastest time in the state so far.
In the 400? Hey, TI-89, if you finish top 3 in the state, that's a $135 prize, and it's be my pleasure. So.
Cool, thanks.
And Larry, you have to take the AP Calculus exam. Okay?
Yeah, I am. I already signed up for it.
All right, hey, great job. All right, we'll see you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Is this Herman Garrett?
Yes.
How you doing, buddy?
All right. How's it going?
Are you coming Saturday?
Yep.
All right, good job. I think I just sort of messed myself out of $135. Did you hear that last conversation?
Yeah, I did.
Are you? You're not in a track meet, are you?
No
okay.
way.
All right. Anybody who finishes in the top 3 in the state. Hey, if the graph shown is F double prime, what are the critical points of F prime? This is sort of hard.
Yeah, it is.
But
Thanks.
you know what?
Appreciate it.
But okay, Herman. Well, I'll tell you. We'll give you another one here, Herman. How's this?
I can't read that.
Well, I'm going to read it to you.
All right, go for it.
If the graph shown is f prime, on what intervals is f increasing?
Right. It's negative 2 to 2. It's negative 2 to 2.
Why?
Why? Because it's above the x-axis is positive.
Don't say it. What's
Because the function, right?
Because what?
That part.
I did just do this problem, didn't I?
No, you didn't. What are you talking about? Hold up.
That's okay.
Hold up.
Yeah, I was just looking at my previous sheets. Okay, you're right. Because if f prime is positive, then f is increasing.
Right.
Okay.
Got it.
So therefore, that means f is going up, and then it's going down. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, great job. So it'll be from negative 2 to 2. Herman, give the phone to someone else. All right.
Cool. Thanks.
Who's next? Hello.
Lakendra?
Lakendra Ross, my favorite Lakendra, are you coming Saturday?
Yeah?
Are you going to any English sessions?
Probably. I have to.
Did you have a different teacher today out there?
Yeah, Miss Brandon.
Miss Brandon? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Hey, Lakendra, make sure you come to some calculus things.
I am English.
Lakendra, you don't need any help in English.
Sometimes.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Lakendra, you're like a English genius. Look, it even says, right? See, very little. You can't even see it there, but right below there it says English. Okay. Hey, okay. I'll tell you what. If you get this answer right, then you don't have to go to calculus every session. All right. All right. Here you go. If the graph shown is f double prime, what are the critical points of f prime?
Since they're one away, it's going to be whenever it equals 0. It's not.
Well, no. I'm groaning because you got it right. That means you don't have to go to calculus every time.
I was like,
Hey, Lakendra,
right?
Lakendra, I knew exactly what you were talking about too. You said because it's one away. I mean, that is excellent. That is excellent. Critical points occur, as you already know. Points occur. Let me know if I'm writing incorrectly, okay? If the derivative equals 0, right? Mm-hmm. So therefore, that if we're talking about f double prime, that the critical points for f prime would be when it negative 2, 2, and 4, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hey, can we tell about the critical points of f? Yes or no?
Okay, let me think. I think you can. Let's see. Am I wrong? I don't know.
Tell me. If I ask you what are the critical points of f, if we have f double prime, tell me everything we could tell about f.
We could tell we could tell about its concavity and I don't know. Somebody help me.
The function is aligned because the second derivative is a cubic. The first derivative would be a parabola.
Hey, Lakendra. You're right. You said you were right. Your first instinct. If we have the second derivative, all we really know about the f, if we have f double prime, is where f is concave. Right. We don't know where it crosses where it crosses the axis. We just know that it's if we have the second derivative, we know the function is concave up, then concave down. That's it. We don't know where the mins or max is. We don't know anything. All we know is about the concavity.
Alrighty.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Lakendra?
Yeah?
Fine job. Come to calculus, all right?
Alright.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
The great Francisco Hernandez!
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
You coming Saturday?
Yes, but for physics.
Physics?
Yeah.
Okay, that's I know, because see now, just to be fair, because I understand that physics is a little more essential for you at this point than calculus. But you're going to be there you should hear the TI people at 8 o'clock, they're going to talk about some great job opportunities through them. You definitely want to be there by 8 o'clock to listen to them, all right? Hey, if you win another prize, it's going to be it's got to be fixed. People are going to yell. Okay, this is a really good question. This would be a question that they might ask. So, tell me what you think about this.
What does it say?
If this is f double prime, at what points does f prime have a point of inflection?
Okay, take the derivative or the slope, like graph.
Okay,
Triple prime.
why are we doing that? When does f prime have a point of inflection?
When if triple prime changes from positive to negative.
Excellent. F triple prime changes signs. You're right. It's when it changes either from negative to positive or positive to negative. Right, as I think I interrupted you. So just by looking at this, what would the answer be?
0 and negative 3. 3.
0 and 3, excellent. Because f double prime increases until 0, then decreases until 3, and then increases after that. So f triple prime is positive, negative, positive, which means the concavity of f prime is up, down, and up, right? And so therefore the concavity of f double, point of inflection for f prime occurs when f prime changes concavity, which would be right there at 0 and 3, right?
Yeah.
And show this chart because that explains everything, all right?
Okay.
Francisco, get everybody from Skyline to come Saturday, all right?
Okay.
It's going to get a lot of information. Good luck, all right?
Okay.
Call in again.
Okay.
Hi.
Daniel, what's your last name?
Tyner.
From what school?
W.T. White.
How's the gum? What type of gum you chewing out there?
Actually, it's a cookie.
A cookie.
Yeah, Miss Harmon brings us a lot of food.
Did she make it or bring it?
She brought it.
Where's the cookie from?
They're those oatmeal, like frosted ones.
Oh, yeah, like
Yeah.
Mother's or something?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, those are pretty good. Okay, here you go, Daniel.
All right.
I'm glad you called. You going to be there Saturday?
When?
Are you going to be there Saturday?
Yes.
Did someone just say yes in the background? Who was that?
I think that was Dennis.
Tell Dennis as soon as I catch him. I know where he lives.
Uh-oh. He knows where he lived, Dennis.
That's right. I'll tell you.
Yeah, can he get an 89 too? He got 38.
I'm gonna work something for Dennis. If he
has swimming.
Yeah, I know that was pretty impressive. But did they finish top 3 in the state?
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to think. As I tell Dennis to come, I'll think of something for that Dennis has to do. Well, I better be careful. I better be careful because I got to be fair to everybody. So
That's true.
And if I just say something like I blurt out something, Dennis, where are you going to school next year?
He doesn't really know yet. He got accepted to like Ohio State and A&M and a few other ones, but he hasn't chosen one yet.
Why not?
I don't know. He really doesn't know either.
Okay. Well, we'll have to talk about that. Hey, Daniel.
Yes.
Let's do this problem here.
All right.
If the graph shown is f double prime, on which intervals is f fourth positive? The fourth derivative positive.
Hold on.
Hey! Stop yelling in the background.
Is it from -2 to 2? No, wait, no, that's C down. Never mind. No, wait. Would it be from 2 to 4?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think that's it.
Why?
Because it's C up. It's concave up.
That's right. The fourth derivative is positive when f double prime
F2 is concave up.
is C up. Oh, no.
No, F double prime is C up.
I'm just kidding. I was trying to be funny. It's F double prime is concave up. See, I put the SEE. That was supposed to be a funny thing. Okay.
Ah.
Hey, Daniel, that's right. Exactly. If the second derivative is concave up, the fourth derivative would be positive, right?
Woohoo!
Woo! Hey, same thing, Daniel. No help in the background now. What about if this is f double prime? What about the third derivative? When's the third derivative positive?
Let's see. When is it?
Hey, tell them to be quiet about that, baby.
Yeah, be quiet.
But
I think is it when f double prime is increasing?
Exactly. And what is that?
What is what?
When is f double prime increasing?
It's increasing from -2 and to 0, and then no. And then from 2 to 3 to 4.
And 3 to 4. Hey, okay, that's a fine job. -2 to 0 is when f double prime is increasing. Hey, give the phone to Dennis, all right?
Oh, hey, can I get a bell? Because this is my first time being on the show. All right.
All right, give the phone to Dennis. Emily!
Egon!
What?
Egon?
Am I gone?
No, from Ghostbusters. Egon. Never mind. You didn't get it.
Oh, because I look like the guy Ghostbusters?
Yeah.
That is like... That guy's nose comes out the hill. Harold Ramis. Hey, people have said I look... You know who I used to look like when I was younger?
Huh?
When we were both younger, about 1985. Seriously, people mistook me for Paul Reiser.
Oh, I can see that. That's the...
What are you doing over there?
Because of the nose, huh?
No, I think it's because of the. I mean, you know, and you know, you probably don't remember this, but a movie in 1984 and 1985, he was really first seen in the original Beverly Hills Cop, and he played the nerdiest guy around. And everybody said that I looked like him, and I wanted to be looking like, you know, Eddie Murphy or somebody cool.
Okay.
And my nose. You know, I used to be real sensitive to it, and Okay, hey, are you ready for a problem?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just kidding about the nose. You can make jokes. It's okay. All right, here we go. Try this here.
If the graph on the interval is f positive, increasing. So it's just increasing? -2 to 0 and 3 to 4?
It's from -2 to 0 and 3 to 4. F prime. Are you sure about that?
Sure.
Are you?
Yeah, I guess.
I guess doesn't sound really.
That's my answer.
That's your
Final answer.
Final answer. Okay, yeah. It's just when f is increasing, right?
Yes.
So it's from -2 to 0, which means f is increasing, so f prime is positive, and then from 3 to 4. It's like all these questions, they seem different, but they all relate to each other. That's what we're trying to get at today.
That's what I got. Yeah.
And Emily.
Yes.
That is a fine job, Emily.
Thank you.
Are you going to be there Saturday?
Yes, absolutely.
What deal do you want to get a TI-89?
I don't know.
Okay, well, are you running the state track meet?
No.
Okay, all right. Well, if you were.
All right.
Okay. Hey, listen, thanks for calling. Make sure you stop by and say hi Saturday, all right?
Definitely.
Okay, we'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Is this Mr. Maynard?
Yeah,
How you doing?
fine.
You ready for a good problem?
Yep.
Okay, here you go. No pressure. You going to be there Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of good drawings. You got to spread the word at Skyline. All right?
Okay.
Here you go, Maynard. If the graph shown is f double prime, at what point does f have a point of inflection? If this is...
Okay. See, this is f double prime, so that means that f prime will be increasing from f prime will be increasing when f double prime is positive. So that would be from -2 to 2. Yep. No, shut up. Okay, so that means f increasing negative 2 to 2 increasing. That would be okay. The point of inflection would be at x equals 2.
Why?
Okay. Well, f prime is increasing when f double prime is positive, so that would be from negative 2 to 2.
Okay.
Then
Wait, say that one again.
f prime will be increasing. F prime is positive when. Let me see. So yeah.
It's okay. Take your time.
Okay. Let's see. F prime is positive, increasing when f double prime is positive.
F prime is increasing when F double prime is positive. Okay.
Okay.
What does it have to do with the F having a point of inflection, Maynard?
I'm getting there.
Okay. All right. You're doing a great job. Go ahead.
Okay. So that means it'd be x squared, and that the vertex would be at probably 2. So f would be increasing from 0 to. From 0 to 2.
Hey, man, let me ask you a question. In general, F has a point of inflection when blank. You're right about this statement, though. But in general, F has a point of inflection when blank.
When sign on F prime changes from positive to negative or negative to positive.
It's when F double prime changes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's when F double prime changes signs, like you said. And so there, since this is F double prime, and like you said, at x equals 2, this is when F double prime changes from positive to negative. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a great job, Maynard.
Thank you.
Make sure you stop by and say hi on Saturday, okay?
Okay.
All right, good job. Viv?
Yes, Thomas Spicer.
What's that feedback?
I don't know.
Can I call you Viv?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Does anybody ever call you Viv?
Yeah, my friends.
Oh, so I'm like your friend. Do I look like Harold Ramis? The guy in Ghostbusters?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, Bob. I heard Dennis in the background. Man, I'll tell you, Dennis, I'd whoop you on that 505 if I was 45 pounds lighter. Okay. All right, hey, let's, what type of problem do you want? I think I ran out of those type of problems. Tell me what you want.
Integration?
Oh, you're going to make me think of integration. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. I don't know if this is going to work out yet. Hold on. Oh, yeah. This is sort of hard.
Yeah, that is.
But, okay, let's just make it, 1 then. How's that?
Can we use the U substitution?
Viv, I think you're right, Viv. Viv. What do you want U to equal?
1 plus natural log of x. And then du 1 over x dx.
Okay. All right. Now what do we do from there?
And then you put 1 over x dx over 1 plus natural log of x.
So 1 over x dx.
Which is du over u.
So it's just du over u. And what's the answer to that?
ln natural log of u.
Natural log of u plus c. I hear whispering. Natural log of 1 plus natural log of x, right?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a great job. Give the phone to the 505 man.
Okay, hold on.
Give the phone to 505.
Yeah?
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
Ready for an integral, tough guy?
Yeah.
Okay. The 505. That's... Okay.
There's a rumor going around that you're one of the top calculus guys in the world.
What? What? I don't get it.
I don't either.
Okay. All right. Here you go. All right. Take your time. And Russell at BA, you work on this also. Why? Because this one may even stump the great Dennis.
No.
I don't know what to do about that.
Aha! Aha! This is a. Uh-huh.
Okay. Remember the last problem? The one that Vivian did?
Yeah.
What if we make ln x equal u minus 1?
Okay. This is pretty good, Dennis. Go ahead.
So ln x equals u minus 1.
Uh-huh. So ln x is equal to u minus 1, all right?
So we get u minus 1.
Wait, Dennis, did you do this yourself?
Yeah.
Man, that is really good. That is really impressive.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So it'd be the integral of u minus 1 over u du.
Wow. So it's the integral of u minus 1
over u
du. Excellent. Because if you substitute all that in, that's what you get.
So
and you really did it all by. That is really awesome. That really is. Go ahead. Go ahead. What do I do from here?
So 1 minus 1 over u.
Okay.
So that's u minus ln u. And then, so it's 1 plus ln x minus ln absolute value 1 plus ln x close plus c.
Wow. Wow. Hey, Dennis.
Yeah.
You know what? That's excellent. That really is really very quite impressive. You are truly the integral man. Try to take the derivative of that and see how you can match it up to see if it works. But it does work. That's a great job, Dennis. We'll see you Saturday, all right?
Okay.
Russell!
Yeah.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Sound like Harold Ramis?
Do I?
Harold Ramis? Oh, did you just walk in?
Let me ask.
Hold on just a second.
Hey, Mr. Fly.
Hey,
We want to know where your girl Butters has been.
where my girl buddy?
You know the girl that always calls in that you flirt with? Never mind.
Oh, my girl Butters.
Yeah.
I'm flirting with her. Butters. Butters. I just like the name Butters.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? If Butters is out there, she's come Saturday, I'm going to introduce you to her, and you'll see she's smooth like butter. Okay, hey, Russell. Get Russell on the phone out there.
All right.
Russell, I think flirting is a strong word. Let's take a look at this. If this is the graph of f, tell me everything we know about f prime and f double prime. If this is the graph of f, just tell me everything we know. Just verbalize it.
Okay.
What do we know about f prime?
It's positive from -2 to 0.
Okay. What else do we know?
It's negative from 0 to 2 or 0 to 3.
Okay.
And positive from 3 to 4.
So if we have a graph of f, we know about if f prime is positive or negative, right? What do we know about f double prime?
It's negative from -2 to 0. No, wait. Concave down from -2 to 0.
What do we know about f double prime?
F double prime is negative from -2 to +2.
Right, because it's negative because f is concave down. And what do we know about from 2 to 4?
It's concave up. It's positive.
F is concave up, so what is positive?
So F double prime.
Russell.
Yeah.
Fine job, Russell. Fine job. We'll see everybody Saturday. Make sure you try to get there by 8 o'clock. There might be a little surprise there for you. Hopefully today, hopefully today will be helpful for you on your AP exams. Best of luck. Good luck. Bye.